Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, the peak of the week again. Here we go, another Wednesday, another shave, and we've got a good one lined up for you today. Is there an echo in here? Echo, see, that joke, it never gets tired, does it guys? It never grows old, does it? Okay, if you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing if you're a returning viewer. Thanks for your continued support. As you've seen in the thumbnail, we've got a good one today. We'll have a run down the stuff. First off, the brush. There you go. A Razorrock 400 with a noir knot. You see this, guys? See a little red, white and blue logo on there? That's loom bands made for me by my granddaughter, Zara. She said, Grandad, I'll make them for you and you can put them on your razor, on your shaving brush. Look at that. Things are getting mixed up. I'm tired, guys. There you go. Look at that. Thank you, Zara. Grandad loves it. And we'll put that into soap. 24mm noir knot. That's going in the John Shaves Super Soaker. The razor for today, there it is. It's actually a mild one. Ikon. This was gifted to me by a friend in the United States, a friend of the channel. Sent this with a lot of other stuff. The Strike Gold shaving brush he sent me as well. And another person, Dennis from Oregon. Dennis sent me a big box of stuff all the way from Oregon. And there was another one of those heads in it. I'll try that sometime. But today, we're just going to go with that. Here we go. An Ikon. I don't know. I think it's a B1. Somebody said it's very mild, but it's a slant razor. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. For now, let's get the blade in. The blade we're going to be using today, see it? Apache Personna blades, or Persona Apache blades. I believe these are American blades, made in America for the Chinese market. And I got them because they are titanium coated. And I put them in my titanium razor to have an all titanium shave. This is what they'll look like out of the box. Let's see. You put there Apache, and I think it actually says on it titanium. Let's have a look. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Titanium. Apache Persona Apache titanium blades. These are good blades, guys. They're very, very sharp and they're very, very smooth. And when I got these, they were very, very affordable as well. Okay, so we'll put that in there. We'll put that in there. And we'll get that next to the brush to get a bit of heat in that blade. Okay, we're going to be finishing off the shave look. We're going to be splashing up with Drakkar. This stuff, guys, is absolutely, this is the stuff you could wear all day, every day, no problem. Absolutely beautiful stuff. We're going to be splashing up with that today. And the balm we're going to be using, 6 men, hashtag 6 men or something. Facial moisturiser. There you go. That was a gift from Samantha. And she told me all proud of herself. She went, oh, Dad, they had loads of aftershave balms there. Balms at £6, balms at £7, balms at £5. And then I seen this one. All proud of herself. £1. Oh, yeah, well, thank you for that. Could you not maybe got one of the ones at £7? £1. So there you go, guys. That tells you what Samantha thinks of me. We'll leave that there. And now to the pièce de résistance. The one you're all here for. Look at this, the star of the show. Does it say up there, the soap of the gods? Van Yulay's Miramar. You see that label there? That looks to me like a cross between Grease and Top Gun. Doesn't it? Absolutely wonderful, wonderful label. I'll tell you a little bit about this before we go on. I got it from the Razor Company. Brilliant company. I'll put a link to them underneath this video. I'll just briefly tell you a little bit about this. I'll try and find it. It's a special blend of coconut oil, lemongrass, bamboo, grapefruit, white musk and jasmine. Now I get the white musk, jasmine and bucket loads of coconut. I'll talk about a bit more about that. after, and what I saw down here. Look at that, guys. It says it, that paragraph there. Look, if you can read that. It's got emu oil in it. You ever seen an emu? How the fucking heck do you get the oil out of an emu? But there you go, it's got emu oil in it. I'm looking forward to this, and look at this, guys. Watch this. I must have used upwards of 1,000 soaps in the past 10 years. Easily, but this is by far the best looking pour you are going to see in a soap. Look at that. Absolute, that looks like it was piped in there with a piping bag, doesn't it? You'd be happy if you saw that on a cream cake. You were served that to eat in a restaurant for your dessert. You'd be quite happy with that. Oh God, it smells divine. Do you know what it smells like? Over here, guys, we get a chocolate bar called Bounty. And basically, it's a little slab of coconut flakes all squashed together. And I'm trying to think of something to give you a size reference. But anyway, and it's covered in milk chocolate. And when we were children, you get 2 of these in a packet. And we would bite all the chocolate off, so you're just left with a slab of this creamy, milky, white, sweet coconut. Absolutely divine it was. And that's what that smells like to me. So that's what we're going to be shaving with. So we'll wet the face and we'll crack on with this shave. Oh. Once again, I'm filming this Tuesday evening. I have to now, guys. Life is just too busy. Now, I don't want to spoil that, but on Van Yulay's website, on the razor company's website, Van Yulay actually say, go straight in, give it a swirl, and look at this. Look at that, guys. Seconds. Now, the scent strength I would put about a 5, but I can tell you right now, lathering it up, yeah, it's jumped to about a 6. I think this is my first ever Van Yulay soap. So I've wanted Van Yulay soap for years, but something's always hindered when I've tried to order them. So I got some there from the razor company. There you go. I've loaded it up. We'll wet the face. Let's see where we go. Wow. It certainly feels slick. It smells, guys. Do you know, if any of you frag heads out there, if you're familiar with a fragrance called, I think it's Givenchy Intense Man, that's what this smells like to me. It smells absolutely fantastic. Lovely, sweet, creamy, coconutty, wonderful. Absolutely wonderful, lovely sweet scent. I get that from that Givenchy Man Intense. We got a sample of it, and I got vanilla and coconut. And it's funny because that Drakkar Noir, I get vanilla from that, so I put the 2 together. Now you've seen there was quite a lot of growth there, didn't you, guys? There you go. Check this out. I could have gone on. That again. Look at that. That's not bad. Lovely, nice, thick lather. Here we go. It actually looks quite mild. Now it's a slant. The philosophy being that when you pull it down, it cuts slant the waist, kind of like a guillotine, and gives you a more efficient and precise cut. So let's see. Yeah, well, it is without doubt the mildest slant razor I've ever used. I've got a Yaki slant razor in there, and it's a slant version of a Yaki Beast, guys. And I'll tell you, it is a beast. You've got to be careful. I slice your face off with it. This is mild. But as I'm finding, like with all mild razors, if you dial it in right, mild doesn't mean inefficient. You still get a lovely, smooth, close shave, and you can even cut yourself on them. But this is good. This soap, very, very slick. I've got another Van Yulay in there I'm looking forward to using. Have you seen the shelf of love behind me? Hey, Williams Aqua Velvet. Now, if you're familiar with Inspector Clouseau, what would Inspector Clouseau say when he seen that? He'd go, sacre bleu, wouldn't he? Saying no more. I'm saying no more. I'll be saying a lot if it's not here by Saturday. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful soap, guys. It smells fantastic. Oh, look. I'm all fingers and thumbs. I've got to slow it down, I do. I've said it before, I tend to rush because my wife and daughter have gone out to pick something up. So I'm filming this while they're out. I didn't have a shower, I had a wash and brush my teeth after my tea. Oh, have I just cut myself? Isn't it funny? You can feel that blade. Isn't it funny how they've all got these razors? They've all got their own little quirks. No matter how mild a slant razor this is, going across like that, it's one of the most blade feeling razors I've got. Absolutely wonderful. Did I cut myself? I just felt it then. You see, that's it. I made a comment a while ago. I said, you know, before I started filming these shaves, I never had a cut, never had a nick, never had a weeper. I think when you're shaving for the camera, you're aware. You're aware that time is of the essence, really. I'll dip the tips in a little water. Yeah, I mean, I personally, I really don't like my videos going over 20 minutes. I don't know why. It's just me personally. I've always been like that for some strange reason. I've got 20 minutes scratched on my brain. I just don't like it going over. But anyway, stop talking, John, and shave. So, had a decent day in work today. Came home. Thought I'll have a bacon sandwich. So I put the bacon in the oven. And then I went to prepare everything for the shave. And then made a cup of tea. And then got the shave ready. Had a wash. Sat in the bedroom on my tablet. Going over the scent notes and so on for the Van Yulay. The bacon! Oh, I ran in, guys. Honestly, they look like licorice sticks. I thought, but oh my word! But honestly, the absolute flipping tightwad in me would not allow me to throw it away. So I made that bacon sandwich. Leather mittens. Look at this. Very slick. Yeah, so I made that. Sat there. Sat there eating my black bacon sandwich. Oh, having a cup of tea. And when I finish this and tidy everything down, I'm actually going to jump in the shower and then have a cup of fresh coffee while I upload this video. And please let me know what you think of the product. Let me know what your shave of the day is. There's no, the SOTD, the shave of the day. There's only one SOTD today, isn't there? I don't drink during the week now. So on Saturday we have 2 SOTDs. Because you have your shave of the day and your slurp of the day. No slurp of the day today. That's just for me. You might have one if you want to tell me what yours is. But let me know what you thought of the shave, what you think of these products. Have you used Van Yulay? What do you think of it? I like it. I like it a lot. It smells fantastic. It certainly looks fantastic. Yeah, there you go. Actually, I may just have to a little bit of a cold water rinse, because although I didn't have a shower, Samantha did about half an hour before I got in from work. And this bathroom, guys, it is like some kind of weird sauna. It just holds on to the heat. It does. It just retains it like you would not believe. Anyway, let's go for leaning. Do you reckon we did okay, didn't we? Not a cut, not a nick. It didn't catch me there. Not a weeper. A nice close shave. Not the closest shave I've ever had, but a good shave, certainly passable. Here we go. I'm just showing you that again in case you were wondering what it was. Drakkar Noir. Ken Surf's favourite. Here, Ken. Oh, guys. Oh. I'll leave a link. If you're in the UK, you want to try this stuff. It is wonderful. There you go. We'll balm up with this. This mega expensive, that's how much I think of you, Dad, Samantha shaving balm. Oh, there you go. I think it's Van der Hagen by a different name, but I'm not one to moan and complain about a gift, even if it was £1. Okay, guys, thanks for sticking with me. What? Can you tell? What? Separated at birth, we're both the same colour. Oh my word. Right, let me know what you thought of today's shave. Let me know about anything in the shave, really. If you've got any points, please comment below. Thanks for sticking with me. Enjoy your week, look after yourself. Saturday will soon be here. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. And remember, in a cold, dark world, be the beacon of warmth and light. Take care, guys.